Right now, you're surrounded by invisible waves. Your phone is receiving Wi-Fi signals. Radio waves are passing through walls, and light is entering your eyes. But what exactly are these waves? A wave is simply a way for energy to move from one place to another. Think of waves in water. You see ripples moving across the surface, but the water itself mostly stays in place. Electromagnetic waves work in a similar way, but they don't even need water or air to travel. Unlike sound waves, which need air, electromagnetic waves can travel through empty space, what we call a vacuum. That's how sunlight travels millions of kilometers through space to reach Earth. An electromagnetic wave is made up of two parts: an electric field and a magnetic field. These two fields are always linked. They travel together as a pair. Here's the interesting part. The electric field and magnetic field are perpendicular to each other. And both of them are also perpendicular to the direction the wave is traveling. These two fields actually sustain each other. A changing electric field creates a magnetic field, and a changing magnetic field creates an electric field. This continuous interaction allows the wave to travel through space. So, electromagnetic waves are not just theory. They're everywhere. Visible light lets us see. Radio waves carry broadcasts. Wi-Fi signals connect your devices. They're all the same type of wave, just at different frequencies. To summarize, an electromagnetic wave is energy traveling through space, made of electric and magnetic fields, and it doesn't need any medium to move. In the next lesson, We'll explore how we describe these waves using wavelength and frequency. Thanks for watching and supporting